friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a soft, warm, beautiful story about the power of a smile. There was a boy named Manav. Manav was quiet. He did not talk much. He did not smile much either. He felt shy. He felt unsure. One day, Manav went to school feeling sad. He had a bad morning. He did not want to talk to anyone. When he entered the classroom, he saw a new student sitting alone. The boy looked nervous. He looked scared. Manav looked at him for a moment. Then slowly, Manav gave him a small smile. The new boy smiled back. Manav went and sat beside him. He said softly, "Hello, I am Manav." The new boy replied, "Hello, I am Aryan." They started talking. Slowly they became friends. Later that day, Aryan said something to Manav. He said, "Thank you for smiling at me. I was very nervous, but your smile made me feel safe." Manav felt surprised. He did not know a small smile could make such a big difference. That evening, he smiled at his mother. He smiled at his neighbor. He smiled at his teacher. And something amazing happened. People smiled back. People spoke kindly. People felt happy. Manav understood something important. A smile is small, but it is powerful. A smile costs nothing, but it gives warmth. From that day, Manav smiled more, and his world felt brighter. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. A simple smile can change someone's day. Smile when you can. Share kindness. Spread warmth. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep smiling. And always remember, a smile is a small gift with big power.